Hey everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Beats Solo 3 only one side working problem. So first of all, you have to check on your Android or any smartphone. You have to go to the settings and search for the audio balance option, and you can see an interface like this. As you can see, it says audio balance left to right, and the option is clicked on the middle point, and you can see there many devices automatically changes their audio balance after you plug any device to the left or the right. So you have to make sure the audio balance is on the middle position, and you can see your Solo 3 is working fine right now. And if this method not works with you, then you can try another thing, that you can just unpair the Solo 3 from your device, like go into the Bluetooth option, and just you have to click on forget this device, and just you have to repair the device with your smartphone. And if you are connected to a PC, you can also just find the audio balance on the PC, and you can just fix the audio balance settings. And if that doesn't work, you can also just go in the Bluetooth section of your PC, and you can just unpair the Solo 3 from your unpair the Solo 3 from your connected device, and then you can again connect the device, and you will see that your Solo 3 is working fine. So that's it for today's video. See you on the next one.